by 1, not in one shot, because one shot will be heavy, too heavy to us to understand. Let's go step by step, and we'll see how to get it. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by the same number. Third root of 2 square and third root of 2 square. I'm going to do this thing. Now that will not help me. I have to make a little bit change. I will multiply it by 1 second. Let me go back. Because I have 2 here already, I cannot multiply exactly. So I'll have to multiply it by root 3, third of 2, and the third root of 2 here. So what will happen? This and this will become the following. The third root of 2 on the top, and the bottom will be like this. It will be the third root of 8 and the third root of 3. What is the third root of 8? It's 2. So really what I write here down is going to become third root of 8, which means it's 2. So that is what we are going to get here. And we are going to leave the third root of 3 is still left here down. So really what I got now is third root of 2 on the top, 2 times third root of 3. This is my one step. Now I got rid of the root of the 2. Now I'm going to go with the third root. Again, I need 3 of this. So I need to bring something like 3 square. So I'm going to erase the back part of this. You know what? Okay, I will erase all of it. And I'm going to take up next step up. And I'm going to show you the next step. So here is the next step that we did. We said 1 over this, I multiplied by root 3, 2 over root 3 over 2. I got root 3 of 2 over third root of 2 cube times third root of 3, which is, this becomes 2. This becomes 2. This becomes the 2 that we see here, and the third root of 3 is still there. We need to get rid of that also. So we will not be able to do it only multiply with 3 third root of 3, because that will give us only 2 times. We need 3 times. So we will do third root of 3 square and third root of 3 square. Now we have on the top, we have third root of 2 and third root of 9, or 3 square, 9. In the bottom, we have 2 times third root of 27. 9 times 3 is 27. Aha. This becomes 3. So really, it is, I can erase this part, and meant to erase it, not make lines on it. Okay. And I can write here, instead of this, I can write 3. Now I have something that is more useful for us. 2 times 9 is 18. Third root of 18 over 2 times 3 is 6. And this is my final number. You can see the denominator was very, very ugly. I moved it up and it became 3 root 18 over 6. This is called rationalizing the denominator. You made the denominator a number, or a number that is not a rational. So you made it, the number that was crazy number went away, and now you have a simple number 6, which is good enough for us to work. So let's go down and see how they did. So here is the thing, and you see they got exactly the same number. I got root 18 of 3 divided by 6. This is one way of question. Let's do this number. Third root of 4. Okay, I'm going to ask you to do it by yourself, because we are already in a place that this course is really for students that already know good math, and this is for competition. So we are going to make it a little bit up, and then I can see the thing here, my root. I hope you are seeing the right screen. I think you're seeing my screen. Yes, you're seeing my screen. So I'm writing 2 root 5 over 3 root 72. So it's 4th root of 72. 4th root of 72. Who can tell me what should I do? First of all, what is 72 made of? What is 72 made of? Anybody? Come on, I need some ideas. Guys, shoot any idea you have in the head. I will see if it is the right idea or not. I will correct you. Who can tell me what is 72 made of?
2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 2.
That's 9 times 8 is 72. Yes. I will take that. I will eat that as good, because 3 times, I will say, you said 2 2 in the power of 3. This in the power of 4, and 3 in the power of 2 in the power of 4. All this, and on the top 2 root 5. Okay, fantastic. What is the next thing I will do? Or what do you offer me to do? Let's start with Mia. Mia, do you have any idea what we're doing? Or do you know what we will do now? What should we multiply top and bottom to get rid of one root at least?
3 to the power of 2.
3 to the power of 2. Okay, you mean like this. Root of 3 to the power of 2, the 4th root of 3 to the power of 2, and 4th root of 3 to the power of 2. That's what you meant?
Yeah.
Good. So let's see what happens. 2 to the root of 5 is stays. Root 4 to the power of 3 in the power of 2, which is 9. I'll write this as 9. I'll go down. I'll say 3 is written as 3. 4, root 4 of 2 in the power of 3, I'll still write it as it is. Now there is a good one. We have 3 in the power of 4. So 4th root of 3 in the power of 4. What will this give? Who can tell me what is this? How much is this? How much is this?
3.
3. Yes. So let's how you say, let's restructure our formula and say the top is 2 root 5 times 4th root of 9. Did not change. Downwards, I'm going to make 3 and 3 9 here. I'm going to write 9, and I have left 4 of 2 in the power of 3. What should I do now? Who can give me an idea? Who can give me an idea? Come on, guys. Any idea? So yeah, I will multiply the top by 2 root 2, the 4th root of 2, and the 4th root of 2. So now I can get rid of the bottom. I say the top is 2 root 5, 4th root of 9, and 4th root of 2. Okay, let's go down. I have 9. I will get 4th root of 2 in the power of 4. How much is the bottom one? How much is this? How much is this? Who can tell me? Sophia. Sophia, how much is this? 4th
2.
root of 2 in the power of 4.
2.
2. Yeah. So we'll get rid of this and we'll write here 2 instead. 9 times 2 is 18. Good. Now that should be with the blue pen. 9 times 2 is 18. Okay. So now let's see what we have. We have 2 in the power of 2 times root of 5. And we have times the 4th root of 9 times 2, which is 18. Good. I can keep that as a as it is, and there's no problem with that. And I can go down and say, wait a minute, I can cancel the 2 from here and the 2 from here. That means this 2 is canceled. I will get rid of it already. I don't want it. And what will be in the bottom will be 9. This is my final answer, and that answer is good enough for me. Okay. Yes, you can do more stuff. I would not offer you to do that. Keep it as it is. It is lovely. It works fantastic. Let it go. Okay. Let it stay like that. That is fantastic. This is what you need to do. This is what you will play with all the time. This is how you make your denominators from radical to normal. Okay, this is what we are doing. Good. So let's go and clear the screen. Wait a minute. Let me share first back my book, and let's go here. And that's gone. Okay, let's go down and let's see what we are doing. So you can see they did it 450, fourth root of 450 over 9. I would say I'm ready to keep it as it is and stay with that. That's fantastic for me. I don't need to make it multiplied by they made 25 in the power of 4. They made increase the numbers to make it 450. I will say keep it as it is, and I'm okay with that. That's not a big deal. Okay, remember that you have to see that if I'm doing 5 in the power of a root of 5, it's already power of half. So I can say that when I say root of, okay, I want to show that you can do this. Root of 5 is 5 in the power of half. I can write the same thing as 5 in the power of 2 over 4, which means the root 4 of 5 squared, which is 25. So I'll get everything in root 4. I'll get this in root 4, this in root 4, and this in root 4, and it will go lovely, and it will make it as a number that will make root 4, fourth root of 450 divided by 9. That is lovely. So I want to start making only 2 questions from this questions here, because I just want to see that you are with me on the same page. And the moment you do that, these 2 questions will go to the next page. So please do these questions. Person who finishes, just raise your hand. Express the following as fractions with rational denominators. With rational denominators. That means you need to bring this. Look what it says here. It says 3 divided by root 3. That means it is what is written here is really 3 over root 3. What would you do? Come on, guys. Anybody?
Times 1.
Yes, Sophia. Sorry. Who was that? Emily. Emily. I think Emily. Right, Emily?
Mia.
Oh, Mia. Okay, Mia. Please tell me what you wanted to do.
Multiply by root 3 over root 3.
Okay, root 3 over root 3. So lovely. We'll write root 3 over root 3. That will give you 3 root 3 over what? Over
3.
what? Over
3.
3. So you can cancel the 3's, right? So your answer will be root 3 only. So you can see 3 over root 3 is